Once others will, they can join later on, no issues. Yes, Harshni. So any
Yes,
doubts?
sir.
Any
No,
doubts from
sir.
the yesterday session? You were asking something regarding tables.
I loved your table, sir.
You love my tables. So now you have
Yes,
fear
sir.
of mathematics.
No, sir.
That was the
I
major
was
factor.
first.
See,
I was
like the,
confused first, then I got it.
what are you confused in?
Was confused in XOX came it was. So I was confused in it. I called my mother and asked her.
Okay.
She
See, this
clarified
is
it.
this was just one such concept. In addition, also in subtraction, also. So the basic definition I gave you, Vedic mathematics means to make your mathematics faster and easy because you cannot avoid maths. So have you appeared
Okay,
for
sir.
Olympiad anytime?
No, sir.
You're in fifth standard, no?
Yes, sir.
In fifth standard, we do have Olympiad exams in our schools and all. NTSC.
June will start our online classes.
Not online,
Now
not
I'm
not school classes. These are national examinations. Olympiads are national examinations. And generally, what happens? See, what do? We try to attempt this examination. We try to solve the questions. Whereas these examinations have not to be solved. Basically, they have to be done very cleverly
Yes, sir.
because you get around 100 and 100 questions that is to be solved in 120 minutes. Now, if I give you a 3 into 3 multiplication, you cannot solve within 1 minute. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the reason to clear Olympiads, we need to be more tricky. So there are options in Vedic mathematics by which you can just see the question and you can solve it verbally. No need of any calculation, nothing at all. So that trick also I'll be sharing you with today. And apart from that, we have in addition, we have in subtraction, we have multiplication and so many other concepts, but they cannot be taught within 2 days. Correct. So
Yes,
for
sir.
that, we have monthly classes. We have a class every Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, and the other batches Tuesday, uh, Thursday, and Saturday. So we are having two
Okay.
batches which go month by month. I'll share you today everything. We'll share you, and
Okay, sir.
so this way you can be more perfect in your mathematics, and you'll have more. Sia has left.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So any other doubt? Any doubt you have now?
No, sir. I don't have any doubts.
You don't have any. That's great. So that means you enjoyed this workshop. So did you do the homework?
Yes, sir. I'll send you when the second homework I read. I wrote.
You have not sent yesterday.
No, sir. I forgot.
This you should not forget. But you done it or not?
Yes, I had done it, sir.
It was just to just take a click and you're supposed to send. Not an issue. Okay. Again, everybody has either they have a network issue or something like that. Sia was joining and coming and going last day also. Let me check with others also, so that if they are not coming, we'll start.
Okay, sir.
Just calling. Hello. Hello. Okay, so what, anything regarding your syllabus you want, like any help, anything you feel like that is tough and you just want that to be shared, any topic?
No, sir.
Okay.
Still, the online classes is not started.
Okay, so let's start with the day 2. So welcome back to the magical world of Vedic mathematics. Now you realize why I called it as magical,
Yes, sir.
because it has a magic. It is so fast, and this was what I made you sure that yes, you will be learning fast multiplication. You'll be learning how to write the tables. Then you'll be learning how to write tables of any 2, 3, 4 digit numbers. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And this was our objective. Okay, we have so we have not covered up 3-digit number in 11 multiplication, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
now we'll go for that 3-digit number, because till now we have done 2-digit numbers only. So we'll start with 3-digit number now, and even 2-digit number I'll be because the heading was multiplication of any numbers with 11 and its multiples. Now see, what we have done till now is, Sia, is it audible to you? Sia, I'm not able to hear you, beta. Sia, if you have a network problem, you can chat with Sia. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Have a network issue, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any problems you have? Anything you want to ask regarding yesterday's workshop? I have seen your homework, that was good. Anything you want?
No. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So
I understand something.
very good. Very good, beta. Okay. Now we have done this 67 into 11, correct? So we did 6,
Yes, sir.
13 and 7. Yes. So it was 737. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Now let's have a test.
Okay, sir.
What is 84 into 22? Yes, yeah. Please solve it and send the answer in chat box.
22. Sir, what is the question?
84. You are not able to see the screen?
Sir,
Are you able to see the screen, beta?
yes, sir.
What is written on the screen, beta? $84 into
84,
22.
sir.
So how will you solve this? Yes, Harshni, you have a clue, you have an idea?
No, sir. Not sure.
Okay, now listen carefully.
94. Okay, sir.
See now, what is this 22? See, if we have to do it in conventional method, in normal mathematics, what do we do? 84, then we put 22 and we start multiplying, correct? This is how we follow till now. So 8, 16, 0, 8 and 16. So that becomes 4, 5, 8, 1. Now, but this takes time, and this is a reason if such question arises in your Olympiads also, you are not able to solve within 1 minute, and we have 1 minute for solving one particular question. So how do we do this? Now see, what is this 22? Can you visualize? Can you think of it? It is 84 and this is 2 into 11. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, 22 can be written as 2 into 11. So now we can solve this. 168. And now I have a 3-digit multiplication. Now we'll do this. We'll understand how to do a 3-digit multiplication with 11.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. See, now let's take a very simple number first. 1, 2, 3. And we have to multiply it with 11. So what do we do? If it was double, we used to take the first digit as it is, take the last digit as it is. Now, same procedure. Add these two numbers first. So 1 and 2 makes 1
3.
plus 2 gives,
3.
and 2 plus 3, then combine the other two numbers. So 2 plus 3 gives me,
5.
and this is your answer. How easy?
Yes, sir.
You try it with normal maths. See, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 11. So what it becomes? 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is this? 3, 5, 3, 1. But this method is taking time. We are doing twice multiplication and one time addition. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which is easy?
Yes, sir.
Which one is easy? This is Vedic maths. This is conventional
Vedic
maths.
math is easy.
है ना? Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir. Vedic
solve
math
one
is
more. 1, 3, 4 into 11. Yes, tell me the answer.
3, 4 multiplied by 11. 1 here. 4. 1 plus 1 plus
Yes, Sia, what is the answer?
4. 3 plus 4.
Sir, 1474.
So that means you have solved it verbally. Yes or no? You are able to solve it verbally, mentally.
Yes, sir.
So that means your speed has increased. How speedily you are able to do now? Okay, let's solve one more. 1, 4, 5.
1, 5. 1595, sir.
Sia, is it correct?
1595.
Sia, is it correct? Is it correct, beta?
Yes, sir, correct.
So how fast you can do now? See, you are able to multiply two numbers within your mind mentally. So that means your speed is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now coming back to that question. So that means let's assume 141 into 22.
14.
So that can be written as
20.
141 into 2 into 11. So what do we do? First we multiply with 2. And now we have it 11.
Sir, 155, 1.
Yes.
1515.
Good. So you are able to solve within seconds. Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
See how easy it becomes. You don't have to multiply twice and then add. Just do the things simple in a simple line. With practice, you will be able to calculate this way. 141 into 22 means 282 into 11. Then you will be able to. So this line will be omitted. Got it? So this is how you can move further. Any doubt now? Santosh, any doubt?
No, sir.
Good. Okay. So let's take a bigger number. 387 into 33. Yes. Tell me the answer.
33. 3.
Sir, 3,11,557. म्हणजे it's 157.
3. How did you do? Yes, Harshni.
Yes, sir.
You're doing with normal mathematics, Sia? But we
No, sir.
have to do this like, so 387 into 3, and that is to be multiplied with 11. So what I get? 126. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And then it is very easy. First as it is, last as it is, then we have, see now it is 4 numbers. So even in 4 numbers, what we do? First combination of 2. I put 2 digits. Then combination of other 2. 7. Then combination of last two, 7. So it is 1, 2, 7, 7, 1.
20.
Anyhow, this might not be in your syllabus, in your curriculum, but I'm just trying to explain you how fast you can become.
Yes, sir.
We'll take 2-digit number only initially, so that you should not have that pressure. Okay, we'll just go for 2-digit and 3-digit only.
Okay, sir.
So 85 into 11.
Yeah.
Yes, what is the answer, Sia? Tell me.
Sir, 95.
9.
05.
Correct. Now, any doubt in this topic?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll move ahead.
No, sir.
Very good, beta. So, one thing you might have seen, the topic was multiplication of numbers with 11. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But did we actually multiply anytime?
No, sir.
We were just adding numbers, corresponding numbers together. So this is why I say it is a magic. Second thing, we were trying to calculate from left to right. Did you see that? Left to right.
Yes, sir.
See, when we read paper, how do we read? When we read a paper, we read from left to right.
No, sir. Right to left.
How? Tell me. It is left to right, beta. When you write something, how is it? Left to right or right to left?
Left to right, sir.
Yes, but only in maths we do opposite. We do in maths we calculate from right to left. First unit place, then tens place, then hundred place, and that is one reason our speed is slow in maths. But in Vedic mathematics, you get this option to either do it from left to right or right to left, and this helps you in increase of speed. Okay. So this was the point. Why Vedic mathematics? Why should you learn Vedic mathematics? Now you might be having this question in your mind. Yeah, sir, I am not having this in my syllabus. I am not having this in my curriculum. So why should I learn Vedic mathematics? Did you ask this question to your parents?
Yes.
Yes, Sia. Yes, Harshni. Santosh. Did you ask this question?
No, sir.
So why you? Okay. She told your parents told that join the class, so you joined.
Yes, sir.
But you have this doubt or not? Ki why should we learn this? See, this subject, this mathematics, this helps to solve your mathematic problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now you have seen when we multiply the 2-digit number with 11, if you go for normal calculation, it takes 2 to 3 minutes. But with Vedic mathematics, it took seconds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You yourself are able to calculate it mentally now. So that means your speed has increased. Sia, speed has increased or not?
Yes, sir.
For the reason why speed has increased? Yes, Harshni, Santosh, do you know why the speed has increased?
Because of Vedic maths.
Agreed. But why? Why due to see Vedic maths? Okay, but why? See, the first reason was, now remember when it was 22, we started visualizing. Visualizing means we start seeing the number, we try to understand the number, we try to imagine the number in our mind. Yes or no? What do you mean?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by visualize? To see that number in our mind. Yes or no? Yes, Sia?
Yes.
So when you try to see that number in your mind, that is known as visualization. So that means visualization power is increased. Earlier, if I would have given this number to you yesterday, you would have just solved it. But now you visualize that no, it is related to 11 and you try to solve using Vedic mathematics. So that is what with Vedic mathematics, your visual power that increases. Okay. It also increases your reasoning powers. Reasoning means you try to find a reason why 22 cannot be written as 11 into 2. So that was finding a reason, and then you apply a proper methodology or proper method to solve it. So you have got more of visualization power, more of resolving power, more of reasoning, and then application of the same, and you are able to solve it.
Yes.
One more reason was there. When you are trying to solve this, you didn't use paper and pen. You were doing it mentally. 1551, somebody, I think Sia did it. So that was mental. Did you use paper or pen? No. So when you are not using paper and pen, that means your speed is automatically increased. Are you getting better?
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me right away.
Yes,
So
sir.
your speed gets increased because you are not using any paper pen. So that is mental practice. Another reason, when you are calculating, that means some part, now you were thinking 25 into 11. So something you were keeping in your intellect, mind. So both your right brain, left brain, they start working. And people who are more logical means your logic ढूंढते हैं, everything they try to find a reason, a logic behind anything. So people who are more logical, they have left brain active, and people who are more creative, like drawing, painting, art, they have right brain active. So with Vedic mathematics, both your brains start active. So that is another reason your speed gets increased. Got the reasons? समझ आया?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yeah. Anything you want to ask?
No, sir.
Harshni?
No, sir.
So the reason is your mind start visualization, then reasoning power, then logics become strong, and then the other thing is you're not using any paper pen, speed is automatically increased. Correct. So this is one reason why we should learn Vedic mathematics, because it helps us to solve problems faster. And if we are fast, then we will be able to solve more problems in our entrance examinations, in our competitive examinations, and in our life also. Okay, I'll share you. So this was the screen. I think you didn't see this.
Yes, sir.
So this was that why we should learn Vedic mathematics. So the second again, got it. Now another big reason why should you learn Vedic mathematics? Because it will reduce your burden. Now burden, you know, what was the burden till yesterday? Yes, Harshni, what was your burden in maths?
Yes, sir.
So
Math.
your burdens was tables. Sia, tables were your burden.
Table.
So here in Vedic mathematics, you don't have that burden left, because you don't have to cram tables more than 9. Up till 8, if you know, 9 you can make, and after that you can make tables within seconds. So you don't have that burden left.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is a big so yes, yeah. So big thing, na, big game. You don't have any burden. And this is a major reason of fear in children. It's very difficult to cram tables. I can understand. Even we cannot cram. So how can you? So you can see the faces of the children. He's grumbling like because of tables. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And now it reduces scratch work. Now, why I call it as a scratch work? Just hold on. I think. Hello. मैम आपको सुबह का पासवर्ड दिया हुआ है, फोन भी कर रहे हैं, आप उठाना ही नहीं चाहते। कल भी 11 बजे का सुबह का पासवर्ड भेजा हुआ, सभी ने ज्वाइन कर लिया। अब देखिए लिंक, मैम सभी को एक साथ ही गया। 1 मिनट में दोबारा भेज देता हूँ। पेरेंट्स just hold on बेटा।
Okay, sir.
मैम 10:20 पे लिंक भेजा हुआ आपको, मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेज दिया और दोबारा भेजा है। आप एक बार अब लॉगिन कर लीजिए। मैम ये नंबर तो मेरे पास सेव नहीं था ना, मेरे पास तो जो नंबर पहले फॉर्म में आया उसी पे भेजूंगा ना। So this reduces scratch work, correct? Now why it reduces scratch work? You have seen everything you are doing mentally. Every calculation is being done mentally. You need not to, even if it was a 3-digit number, you are not doing separately. So where is the use of scratch work? It's already reduced, correct? And moreover, it reduces your finger counting. So do you have the habit of finger counting? Yes, Sia, you have a
Yes,
habit of
sir.
Ashmi.
Yes, sir.
So this will reduce that beta, because you will be able to calculate everything mentally. So when you are calculating everything mentally, this would be reduced.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, how many of you want to have more concentration?
Me, sir. I need it.
Why do you think you lack in concentration? Yes, Ashmi? Sia, you don't need? So why do you think you lack in concentration, Harshni?
Hmm.
Yes, give me the answer. Then only I'll be able to solve it.
I don't know, sir.
So why do you think you don't have concentration?
I'll be having concentration if any one thing, when I will read or write, it will not be pencil or book will go. Pencil or pencil, I'll
Okay.
not get it.
See, we feel because
So
we
my
don't
concentration
we are not able to recall what we did earlier or how we did earlier. That is where we feel. Okay. Do you forget to play game?
no, sir.
Why? Because you find it interesting. See, anything you find interesting, you will do it again and again. You will love to do it again and again. But whenever you think, no, whenever you don't like something, whenever you feel, no, I don't know this thing, or I am just not able to do this, then you start feeling that fear. You start neglecting that thing. You enjoy games, so there is nothing, you never forget it, but you don't enjoy your education, you don't enjoy your mathematics, you don't enjoy your subjects. Now what is the procedure, how to enjoy? The first thing is, when you will know, yes, whatever I am doing, that is correct. Like yesterday we did the trick of 11, correct?
Yes, sir.
How did you remember today also? How did you remember today also?
I was concentrated in it.
No, you were not concentrated in it. You basically liked that. You enjoyed that. You were interested. I won't say, but yes, you felt good when you were solving. Today also, when you were solving, were you not enjoying it? You were feeling something positive in your mind. You were getting that goosebumps like, wow, I am wow feeling. Yes, I am able to do.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you feel such positive things, wherever in whatever, it is not only education, it is games or any topic and anything in life, whatever we feel interesting, we like to do it again and again. Now, in Vedic mathematics, one thing is it is magical. You enjoy it. That is one part. Correct. Second part
Yes,
is now if I give you 10 questions and if you are confident that yes, you have solved it correctly, so then your confidence level will automatically increase. But if you are in
sir.
doubt, yes, I don't know whether my question was right or wrong, then you have a problem. Oh, I don't know whether it is correct or not. So in Vedic maths, we have a method. We have a method to find our answers, to check our answers, to verify our answers. And that method is in a single step, a single line answer. Now, once we do that, once we apply that, one thing is we get confidence. Yes, whatever I have done is correct. And that is more than sufficient. Do you know, when you are going for an examination, whenever you are going for your papers, what is your teacher saying? Attempt those questions which you know first, which you are confident that you know it best, and then attempt others. Yes or no? This is how you appear for the examinations. First, you attempt the best answers. Yes? What happened?
Your voice is stuck. Your voice was stuck.
Okay. So first you attempt those questions which you know that they are the best.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason? What is the logic behind that? See, if you have 10 questions in examination and you know 5 out of this, 5, you are confident that these 5s I'll do correct. But if you start attempting other 5 first, then you lose confidence. And then you will not be even able
Yes,
to
sir.
complete these 5 also. So that is the reason we say first attempt the positive, first attempt the best answers. Now in Vedic mathematics, if you know that whatever you have done is correct, confidence will automatically flow in. You'll get that confidence initially. So when confidence is there, when positive attitude is there, when you are feeling joyous, like today when you were applying this multiplication method, you were feeling positive, you were that wow feeling, yes, I am able to do. So then definitely you will find in this subject interesting, and whenever you do such again and again, it automatically increases your concentration.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So very first thing is concentration will come only if you find something interesting. You will not never remember those things. If you are not able to uh, do some questions, will you remember that? No.
No, sir.
Got it? So you need not to have any tonics for concentration. Just practice with Vedic mathematics. Practice your own book. Like you might be having your book. So try attempt Vedic mathematics on those questions. You'll start feeling positive. Oh, I was not able to solve this earlier within 2 minutes. Now I am able to solve within 10 seconds. So you'll be more confident. You'll be more positive, and that would increase your concentration. So nothing is required. No medicine, nothing, no tonics. Parents do give tonics. Nothing is required. Just practice 10 minutes daily. Is it more? 10 minutes is not a big time. 10 to 15 minutes is not a big time. But since you'll be positive at that time, you'll be more confident at that, you'll be more enjoying that. So once you are enjoying, it is done. So I'll be sharing you that trick also today, where you can find, yes, my answer is correct or not, and that too within seconds. And once you know, see, when you come out of your examination hall and somebody asks you how many questions were correct, and you are always in doubt. I don't know, I attempted all, but I don't know. And if you know that your answers were correct, how confidently you'll say, yes, all correct or 9 correct? Yes or no? Because in
Yes, sir.
maths, either you are correct or you are incorrect. You cannot be in between. It is not a subject like Hindi or English where you write stories. So answer is either correct or wrong. There is nothing in between.
Yes.
So if you know, you yourself know that yes, I'm getting wrong, and you correct it immediately, then everything is fine. Got it? So we'll share that today. Now it reduces
sir.
silly mistakes. Now, what are the silly mistakes in your mathematics? You just multiple borrowing. I gave you an example, 85 into 11, 22. So if we do it normally, you'll get carryovers. But when we did with 11 concept of Vedic maths, there was no carryover. There was no multiple carryover, or only one time carryover is there. So so that means it reduces carryovers. And second thing, I'll tell you one thing. There is no concept of borrow. You might be knowing borrow is the most difficult thing. I asked you yesterday also this question. What is 1000 minus 330.30? You'll take 2 minutes because you'll start borrowing from 1. So 999 and then something like that. But in Vedic mathematics, we don't have this
Yes,
thing.
sir.
There is no borrow. So no silly mistakes. So do you think there are any disadvantages of Vedic mathematics now? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
What?
Calculators.
Did we do this topic earlier? So we will not be in use of calculators anymore, and people will be jealous of you because of your speed. See, I'll give you an example. Now ask anybody, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? It is a 5-digit number, but it's simple. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. You can try. I told you how to do 4-digit also. You can try such small numbers. So you'll start enjoying. So no, you'll move from calculators to your mental. And second thing, people will be jealous of you because of your speed. Now, this is what I was saying, how to check your answers, how to get a hint that yes, you have done the questions correct or not. Take out your paper and pen and write down Bijank. There is a, okay, I'll come to the white screen. I'll tell you what to write.
Okay, sir.
So any doubt up till now?
Sir,
Hmm?
85 multiplied by 11. How did it come 935?
8 as it is, 5 as it is. What is 8 plus 5? 13.
13.
So can we have two digits at this place?
No, sir.
What will we do?
Carry 1. Carry 1.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
No,
Sia.
sir.
Sia, you have any question? Santosh?
No, sir.
Good. Okay. So now take out your paper and pen. A very important topic. it is very useful right from your third class to not even 12th, anytime in the age. Any question of mathematics, any question, it can be. Okay, now Heth is joining after 50 minutes. Okay, give me 1 second, I'll just join.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, Heth. What happened? You are late.
Yes, sir. In my house is no light now. That's why.
So, okay. Okay, give me a second. I'm just taking medicine. Give me a second. Okay. So, have you done the homework? Yes, Heth.
Sir, you not give that table.
What I am not given? I've given everything. Everybody has done.
Sir, I do that table to do. Other is left.
Acha. Anything you want to ask regarding yesterday?
What, sir?
Any doubt of yesterday? Kalka,
Sir, you see that homework.
good, very good. But you should send me a screenshot, na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we are starting a new topic. The topic is how to check whether your answer is correct or not. Correct? And this will help you right from the beginning. It is helpful to everybody, class 3rd class up till 12th and more. And it is very
Sir,
simple.
1 minute.
Sorry?
I have one query.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, that is not that any number bring then add 1 Sir, this one.
Which one?
Like this you give na. This number add on right table.
I'm not able to see that, beta.
Now, sir.
Okay, after the class you can send me.
Sir, that I don't know how to do that. How to do table.
See,
Make
beta,
table.
no problem, we'll do it. See, you are attending the class after half class is over. Yesterday also you did the same, today also. So how can you learn this way?
Sir, today is not night. How's it that light? That's why.
Okay, आप हिंदी में बात कर लीजिए. अभी हम एक नया टॉपिक करते हैं, फिर आपको अलग से प्रॉब्लम्स ले लूंगा मैं. ठीक है? जब ये खत्म होने के बाद आपकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, we'll talk on phone and we'll discuss. Correct? But
Okay, sir.
Take out your paper and pen. This is a very important topic with the help of which you can find whether your answer is correct or not. And if you are able to know this thing, see, अगर आपको ये पता चल जाए कि मेरा आंसर करेक्ट है, so you will have that confidence and you will be able to be more able to concentrate on that subject. So this is known as
Okay, sir.
Bijank. Okay.
What's a Bijang?
I'll write down, beta. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Bejank. It is known as Bijank or Nava Shesh or digital root. Or these are the four names by which we can. Correct. Now, what is this? Bijank, Nava Shesh, digital root or sum. So with by this, the name itself says, if you try to understand, this is okay Sanskrit. By the name itself, it is clear. Let us assume a number is 2-digit given to us, 86. And I ask you to find a digit sum. Now, what will be the digit sum? I have to add these digits. 8 plus 6 gives me 14. Further, I have to again add 1 plus 4. This gives me 5. So Bijank of 86 is, or digit sum is 5. Is it clear? Another example, 123. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives me 6. So digit sum is 6. Remember, digit sum will be always between 1 and 9. It can never be
Okay, sir.
it can never be 0 or negative. Now, one thing more you have to see, how you will become more fast. Have you written up till here? Everybody has copied?
Yes,
Screen
sir.
is moving better. Hey, your screen is moving. Why?
Sir, 1 minute. I am.
You can switch off your video if you want, not an issue, but it is moving very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, concentrate.
Sir, 1 minute.
Concentrate here, beta. Okay, so digit sum is, it is always between 1 to 9. Another example, let's just say number is 76. So 7 plus 6 gives me 13. 13 further goes to 4. 4 is a digit sum. So digit sum is a single digit number between 1 to 9, and that is obtained by adding the digits. Is it clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Arshni,
Yes, sir.
where is now Sia gone? Now she has left. Yes, Sia. Sia, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
A digit sum is a number obtained by adding the digits of a number, and it should always be between 1 and 9. We'll learn how to just, this is a concept with the help of which you'll be able to solve your problems. Now, one thing you have to see, let's say a number is 1 to 9. So what is the digit sum? Yes, Heth.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute is too much. It should take seconds. Sia, what is the digit sum?
Sir, 12. Sir, 12 plus 1, 3.
12 plus 1, 3. What is this?
Sir, sorry, sir, 2 plus 1, 3.
Where is 9 gone? Okay. Yes, Sia. Ashni.
1 plus 2 plus 9 is 13.
Okay.
13.
Then what is the final?
I understand. Last
13 बोलिए.
Harshni, 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 13
Yes, sir.
or 12.
12. Sir, 12 only answer.
Yes,
30.
Sia. Yes, Sia. Shalja, please. Shalja, don't tell me the answers to her. Otherwise, she will not be able to learn. Okay, now see. 1 plus 2 plus 9. It gives me 12. Agreed.
12.
That further gives me 3. So 3 is the digit sum. But now listen carefully. See, we don't have this much of time, because this number could be a bigger one also. It could have been this. So we don't have this much of time. So just remember one thing. Whenever you have 9 in between, ignore it. Just ignore it. Then also 1 plus 2 is 3. So this becomes more fast.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I'll give you another example.
Okay, sir.
1971. Now see, if I add everything, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. And further I get 9. So if I avoid this, then immediately I can add 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Sia, did you understand this? See, you have to increase your speed. So how speed can be increased? You can just ignore 9 or numbers making 9. Initially, if you don't want to add, you can add, but then you generally make silly mistakes like Harshni did now. She was making 9 plus 3, 12, 13. So why to add 9 when we have to ignore it later on also? See, 9 is such a number, whenever something is added to it, the digit sum will remain the same. Another example.
1, 6.
1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. And I get answer as 3. Now visualize, just see. 6 plus 3 is, what is 6 plus 3?
9.
So we can ignore this. We can just ignore this, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So simply I can find the answer from here itself. If you want to add, you can add. But this is I am trying to explain you how you can become more fast.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts up till now? Harshni, Sia, Heth?
No, sir.
No,
I
sir.
cannot.
Okay, let's take an example. Now, addition, I am taking an example, 786. Adding 786 or chalo 743. What is the answer? Give me the answer. What is 786 plus 743? What is the answer?
9. 12.
हेत किससे पूछ रहे हो?
No, sir.
1529, sir.
1529.
29.
ओके अगर मैं ये बोलूं आपको, इफ आई से यू वेरीफाई दिस, फिर आप दोबारा यही कैलकुलेशन करेंगे? ये तो बहुत छोटा सा नंबर, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल. If you have to verify, yeah, in some, if it is a big digit number, 4-5 digits are there, and you don't have time to verify, how will you do? Now see here, find the digital root of this. So 7 plus 8, 15 plus 6, it is 21 or 3, correct? Yes, Heth, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And digit sum of 743 is 14. That means 5. Correct? What is
Yes,
3?
sir.
What is 3 plus 5? What is 3
Say,
plus 5?
sir, 8. 8.
Okay. Okay, now let us check this. I ignore this. 1 plus 5 plus 2. What is the digit sum? What is the digit sum of the answer, beta? It is 1
8,
plus.
sir.
Hey, any problem?
No, sir.
You're not able to concentrate. What is the digit sum of 1529? Yes, Harshni?
Sir, 16. 6 plus 1, 7. Answer 6. 16 is dead. 3 is 4.
16 किसका आया?
1529 का.
16 कैसे आया बेटा? 1 plus 5 6 होता है, 6 plus 2 8 होता है, 8 plus 9 17 होता है. 16 कैसे आया? और अगर 9 को इग्नोर कर दो, पूछो मत बार बार, इधर देखो, 9 को इग्नोर कर दो तो 1 plus 5 plus 2 सीधा 8 आ गया. नाउ क्वेश्चन का भी डिजिटल रूट 8 है, आंसर का भी डिजिटल रूट 8 है. दैट मींस दिस हैज बीन सॉल्व्ड करेक्टली. So this is how you can check your answers. समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, yes तो बोल दिया, किया तो है नहीं अभी तक. Okay, let's do a very small number first. Let's say 4 7 3 8. Add किया, I get an answer 85. अब मुझे इसी को वेरीफाई करना है, तो 7 and 4 11 होता है, डिजिट रूट आया 2. Here digit root is again 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4.
4.
And here digit root is 13 का मतलब 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you solve digit root. अब इससे आपका क्लियर हो गया कि this is correct because digit sum of question is equal to digit sum of answer.
Okay, sir.
Sia, any doubt beta?
No, sir.
Great. Coming to subtraction. Let's say a number is 786 and we have to subtract 123.
7.
So what is the result? 3 6 6. Correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
So what is digit root of 786? What is digit root of 786?
Sir, 21.
Yes. And further 21 gives 2 plus 1 is?
3, sir.
See, eighth digit sum is
Yes,
always
sir.
single digit number between 1 and 9. So whenever you get this answer, again add up to make a single number. And what is digit sum of this?
Sir, 6.
6. Now what is 3 minus 6?
3, sir.
Minus 3.
3.
Minus 3, beta. I told you digit sum should be always between 1 and 9. Now this is this in between 1 and 9? No, it is negative number. So whenever such case arise, add 9 to it. So the answer comes 6.
12, sir.
No, beta, it is minus 6, na? See, 3 minus 6. So 6 is bigger.
3, sir.
And here also it is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15. So 15 is what? 6. So this 6 and 6 matches. So our question is correct.
Sir.
This is how you have to attempt. Okay, let's say we did one multiplication. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, always remember two things. Answer should be between 1 and 9. If at any time we get answer as 0 or negative, add 9. Correct? Write down this thing and you have to remember this. This trick would be is very helpful to check your answers. And now we have checked in addition, we have checked in subtraction. Now we'll check in multiplication. Now there was a question 141 into 22, correct? And the answer was 3102, correct? Now let us check this. So what is digit sum of this? 141.
Sir, 6.
What is digit sum of 22?
4,
Sir, 4.
4,
Okay.
sir.
So what is 6 and 2 4? 24. So 24 means again 6. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
check here.
Yes, sir.
Here in answer also 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2. It is 6. So that means this answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, beta? See, now here
No,
remember one thing. Before we were discussing this only.
Yes.
When you go for a paper, when you have in exams 10 questions, correct? Now if you have solved those questions and you have verified them, so you will be getting more confidence. You will be positive in that, yes, my correct answers are correct. And once you have that confidence, everything is done. So that leads to concentration, that leads to your best score in that subject. The point is you should find the subject interesting. So hey, how do you think, or do you think this has increased your speed? Before you, we tried to solve questions, more questions of yesterday topics. So if you have you done the homework of 11 multiplication? Hey, hey, you are not coming now.
What, sir?
कल के क्वेश्चंस इजी लगे थे?
Yes, sir.
क्या आपको लगा कुछ स्पीड बढ़ सकती है आपकी?
Yes, sir.
सामने कौन है, मम्मी है पापा है?
मम्मी है.
So, ऐसे पढ़ाई कैसे कर पाओगे? मम्मी आंसर्स दे रहे
Yes,
हैं,
sir.
मम्मी आंसर्स दे रहे हैं.
No.
चलो, विल डू इट. अच्छा, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, अब ये कहाँ काम आएगा ये चेक तो आप कर लेंगे, इसके अलावा ये कहाँ काम आएगा, लेट अस सी दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन यू, कि कैसे आपके मार्क्स अच्छे आएंगे, कैसे आप ज्यादा स्कोर कर पाएंगे और कैसे ज्यादा अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे. So Bijank is a sum of digits of a number. Clear? Also called as Namashesh, digital root या digit sum. So example 27 का 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 348 का 3 plus 4 plus 8 gives me 15 or 6. 43196. I can ignore 9 and the numbers making 9. So 9 can be ignored. 6 plus 3 can be ignored. सीधा आंसर आ गया 5. एप्लीकेशन इसका हमने दो, we did one question of addition. So 345 plus 789, when we add, we get answer 1134. So अगर हम डिजिटल रूट के हिसाब से चलें तो I get 345 का डिजिटल रूट है 3, 789 का है 6. So 6 plus 3 again gives me 9. Yes. Yes बेटा पूछिए.
सर. सर आपकी आवाज बहुत ठीक से नहीं आ रही. आपने जो वो पहले समझे ना वो मुझको वापस समझाओ ना.
ये
यस सर.
ये करा,
that time your voice is not coming.
ये कर तो लिया बेटा हमने, यही तो किया अभी.
Sir, that time your voice is not coming properly. That's why. I go out and again connect that like that. That's why I say to you.
Okay. Digit sum, अब आपको पता है क्या होता है? Sum
Yes,
of
sir.
digits of a number. Correct? तो वही हमने किया है. 27 को 2 plus 7, 348 में 3 plus 4 plus 8, 15 और फिर 6. करेक्ट. फिर हमने एडिशन
Yes.
किया था, उसके बाद हमने एक सब्ट्रैक्शन का किया. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू, हमने प्रैक्टिकली अभी करके देख लिया है, अब हम इसमें शो कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वी हैव टेकन सब्ट्रैक्शन, then 363 into 11, हमने एग्जांपल 85 into 141 into 11 का भी करके देखा है. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट इज कहां पे काम आएगा आपका, जो एग्जामिनेशंस में कैसे आता है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन 352 into 867. ये दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
नाउ यो व्हाट इज द मेथड? मेथड इज, या तो आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको एक आंसर मिल जाएगा, बट दैट विल टेक टाइम. डू यू हैव दैट मच टाइम इन द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम? नो. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, ओलंपियाड में 1 मिनट में एक क्वेश्चन करना होता है, क्योंकि 100 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं एंड 2 hours आर देयर. 120 मिनट्स में हमको 100 क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. सो दैट इज, वी हैव वेरी लेस टाइम. अब उतने से टाइम में हमने अगर करना है तो हमें कैसे करना है? हमारे पास इसका एक दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या है, डिजिट सम से करो. सो 352 का डिजिट सम क्या आएगा, चेक करो.
क्या सर? 352. सर यू से 352 ना?
यस बेटा. इतना सोचना क्या है, 3 + 2 + 5 दैट इज 10. तो 10 का क्या बना, 1 + 0 मतलब 1.
यस सर.
इतना सोचना क्यों है? यस सिया. हर्षनी, संतोष, 352 का आपको समझ आया?
यस सर.
हेत, हेत आपका सिस्टम रुकता क्यों नहीं है? आप बार बार कोई मोबाइल पकड़ के खड़ा है क्या? मोबाइल स्टैंड पे लगा दीजिए आप.
स्टैंड?
आपका स्क्रीन हिलता क्यों है 1-1 मिनट पे?
1 minute sir, I bring the stand.
नहीं, डोंट ब्रिंग इट एनीथिंग नाउ. विल, पहले ही बहुत लेट हो बेटा. आप किसी के
Okay, sir.
सहारे रख दो, किसी के
Okay,
भी
sir.
सहारे रख दो ना मोबाइल को.
ठीक है सर.
अगर आप मूवमेंट करते रहोगे तो आपका ध्यान कहाँ जाएगा? So digit sum of 352 is 1. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
And digit sum of 867 is 3. So इसका मतलब 1 into 3 gives me 3. अब हमें सिर्फ इतना चेक करना है कि किसका डिजिट सम 3 आएगा. That's all. तो जिसका 3 आएगा वो ही इसका आंसर होगा. So 302 514. Now 302 means 5 + 5 10 10 + 5 15. So इसका डिजिट सम क्या आया, 6. तो इसका मतलब फर्स्ट आंसर नहीं हो सकता. सेकंड का 305184 मतलब 3 + 5 is 8 and 9 9 and 8 is 17 17 and 4 is 23. डिजिट सम आया 5. नहीं हो सकता. 305284 7 9 17 and 4 नहीं हो सकता. हम अब आया पॉइंट कहां? तो 315284 नहीं हो सकता. तो किसका आंसर 3 आया था? दैट इज द आंसर. सो 305184. नाउ 3 + 5 is 8. 8 + 1 is 9. 9 + 8 is 17. +4 21. सो आंसर क्या आया? 3. इज इट क्लियर? ये समझ आया भी कि
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
यस सर तो कर रहे हो. हेत समझ आया ये क्या किया मैंने?
यस सर.
क्या है ये?
सर जो आंसर है ना उसका राइट आंसर निकलना है.
यस, डिजिट सम से हमने निकालना है, क्योंकि हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हमें टाइम लगेगा, डिजिट सम हमें कैलकुलेटर
Yes,
पर
sir.
हो जाएगा। समझ आया? ये एमसीक्यू होता है, एमसीक्यू मींस मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं आपको एंट्रेंस में, आपके ओलंपियाड्स में, आपके एनटीएससी में, आपके पेपर्स में। सो आंसर दिया हुआ है नीचे, पर हम क्या गलती कर जाते हैं, हम टाइम लगा जाते हैं इतना। सो हमें टाइम
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
बचाना है? डिजिट सम से कैलकुलेट किया और काम खत्म। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
हर्षनी,
Sir.
सिया,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके। अब एक और मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको सिखाता हूं, बहुत इजी और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत फास्ट है, बहुत ज्यादा। नाम अभी आप याद नहीं कर पाएंगे शायद, अंतर्य दोष के, अंतर्य दोष के। सो दिस इज अ sutra name, but let us not fall into the name. Let me teach you.
Okay, sir.
इन नंबर्स में क्या कॉमन है? कैन यू टेल मी? ओके, वेट वेट वेट,
44, 44.
these are 6 questions of multiplication. I'm not talking about, but इन सभी में क्या कॉमन है? हर एक में एक चीज कॉमन है।
Sir, I speak.
सॉरी,
I speak.
आई स्टिक?
No, sir, I stick not. I speak.
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
जो sir, जो that first that is 35 multiplied by 37 has no that 7 is bigger than 3.
35 तो है नहीं बेटा, 53 into 57 है।
Sir, that only I speak. That 7 is bigger than 3.
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
Sir,
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यस हर्षनी, सिया।
Sir, in every number is 5, 53, 57, 61, 69. So in every number in that digit only it came. 53, 57, 61, 69, 34, 36, 45, 45, 77, 73, 82 and 88, sir.
हाँ तो क्या है इसमें?
50 in 53 and 57 in 5 number only it came.
यस सिया। हेत खाओ मत इसको।
no sir, मैं तो यहाँ रख रहा हूँ.
समझ आया कि नहीं आया? इसमें क्या कॉमन है मैं बताऊं?
Yes, sir.
जस्ट सी,
Yes, sir.
हर एक में टेंस प्लेस पे दोनों ये कॉमन है।
Yes, sir.
यहाँ भी 6,
Yeah.
सब में देखो। Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
इतना एग्री हो गए? और अब देखो यूनिट प्लेस को बहुत ध्यान से देखो. 3 + 10 7 क्या होता है?
3 plus
What is 3 + 7?
21, sir.
3 + 7. 3 + 7 मैडम. 3 + 7 what happened? ऐड करते हैं. 3 +
10, sir.
1 + 9 कितना होता है?
1 plus 10, sir.
6 + 4 कितना? ये देखो 3 + 7 10, 1 + 9 10, 4 + 6 10, 5 + 5 10, 7 + 3 10, 8 + 2 10. आया समझ कुछ? इन सभी
Yes, sir.
नंबर्स में, in all these
Yes, sir.
numbers, in all these numbers, at unit place the digit was common. Sorry, at tens place the digit was common, and at unit place the sum of numbers is 10. अगर कभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ऐसा हो जाए तो इसका आंसर पता कैसे आएगा? सिंपल. 5 × 5 कर दिया 25, और 7 × 3 21. So this is the answer. 6 × 6 36, 9 × 1 09, 3 × 3 9, 6 × 4 9 24, 5 × 5 25, 4 × 4 is 16, 7 × 7 is 49, 21, 64, 16. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
नहीं. क्या
Yes,
समझ
sir.
आया? क्या समझ आया? दिस इज वन सूत्रा. देखो मैथ्स कितना इजी बना देता है, कितना इजी. अदरवाइज हम 3 स्टेप्स में करते ये क्वेश्चंस. बट if these two conditions are fulfilled, one is at tens place the digits are common, and at unit place the numbers add up to make 10, then it can be simply multiplied.
Okay, sir.
ये 6 के 6 क्वेश्चंस उतार लो. Is it easy now?
Yes, sir.
8th बोर हो गए?
Yes, sir.
Sia,
Yes.
any doubt on this? You can ask me right now. So the condition is, first condition is the digits at tens place should be common, and second condition is at unit place the digits should make 10. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
How fast your calculation will become? Can you think of it? Yesterday we did 11. Today we are doing another fast speed multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Have you copied?
No, sir.
Yes,
I am
sir.
only copying. Sir, I am copying only. 1 minute.
Okay, beta.
Sir, I copy. Complete, sir. Done, sir.
Sia,
Yes, sir.
Heth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is known as, see, these are the two conditions. Sum of last digits of a number is 10, sorry, and remaining previous numbers are same. So unit place per, it should be common, and the last digit should make a sum 10. So this can be applied to bigger numbers also. So what you have to do, you have to practice regularly. So this was, so now you remember my name.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So if you want to further join, then we have a program. We take classes every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. So that means every alternate day, 3 days a week, 1 hour each. So anybody interested can let me know. Okay. And what will we do? Addition, subtraction, tables, fast multiplication, division, squares, cubes, fraction, LCF, HCF, algebraic equations, doubling, halving, magic squares, calendar, square root, cube roots, and divisibility. And this is your fee. You can, okay, that your parents can talk to me. So now coming to back to any doubts you have. Yes, Heth, now you can ask me the doubts.
Sir, yesterday you sent that homework.
पहले अपनी स्क्रीन को स्टेबल करो बेटा, बार बार हिलते हो आप.
No, sir, okay.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
Sir,
हाँ
now okay na?
हाँ,
Sir, you that table how
हिंदी
to
में बोल
make,
लीजिए, हिंदी में बात कर लो. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम आता है बोलिए.
जो अपना वो टेबल थे ना, हाँ, हम उसका आंसर कैसे बना सकते हैं वो नहीं मुझको पता चला.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या आप बोल रहे हैं. आप पूरी बात बोलिए, कोई एग्जांपल दीजिए.
Sir, like that 12
ओके,
12 to za. So how to make answer that one?
ओके. सी नाउ हम कैसे करते हैं अभी. 12, then what we do,
Okay.
we add 12 to this, that gives me 24. So we write second level as 24. Then we add 12 and we write 36. Then we add 12 and we write 48.
Okay, sir. Like,
Correct. But then we write 60. But this is not, see, 12 is a small number. अगर यही 18 हो जाए, 98 हो जाए, तो it becomes tough. So what do we do in Vedic mathematics? We write down the tables separately of each number.
okay.
Hey, please ध्यान दो. 2 का टेबल लिखो. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 2 8 16. 1 का टेबल लिखना हो तो क्या होगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. करेक्ट. एनी डाउट. यहां तक ठीक है हेत.
Yes, sir.
आवाज आपकी चली गई है. माइक को सामने लाओ या बिल्कुल हटा.
Sir, yes, sir.
अभी क्या करना है देखो. यहाँ यूनिट प्लेस में भी एक नंबर है कॉमन, तो इसको एज इट इज लिख सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि एक एक डिजिट है यूनिट पे. इसको भी ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं. इसको भी ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं 48 भी। प्रॉब्लम आता है when it becomes 5 and 10. now इस digit इस unit place पे, this is unit place, this is tens place, so क्या unit पे दो?
Okay, sir.
हाँ बोलो,
No, sir.
क्या यूनिट प्लेस पे दो डिजिट हो सकते हैं? Can we have two
Yes,
digits
sir.
at unit place? No. So 0 remains constant, और जो 1 है we move to tens place, so that becomes 5 plus 1 becomes
6.
yes. See, आगे हम 12 ऐड कर रहे थे, अब हमने ऐड क्या किया? 5 और 1 6।
Yes.
ऐसे ही 2 कांस्टेंट हुआ, यहां 6 और 1 ऐड हो गया, मतलब क्या हो गया? 7। See how easy it is becoming. यहां 4 कांस्टेंट
sir.
रह गया, 7 और 8 ऐड किया तो क्या बना? 8।
84.
So what is this?
Table of 12.
Yes. So how easy it is becoming.
Yes, sir.
Now your doubt is clear.
जी sir.
खाना नहीं है उसको, माइक को। ठीक है, और डाउट? यस हर्षनी, you have any doubt now?
No, sir.
Sia? Sia, any doubt?
No, sir.
So now
No, sir.
this was all what we could do in these 2 days. अगर आप और सीखना चाहते हैं मैजिक वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स का, so you can join our classes, जो monthly classes होती हैं, you can join that also. Okay, so for that you can ask your parents to talk to me and we'll discuss. Correct? Anything else? I'll share you the homework. होमवर्क कंप्लीट करके आपने मुझे भेजना है आज या कल तक भेज सकते हैं आप, ठीक है? सो एंजॉय किया या नहीं? कितना एंजॉय किया, कितना समझ आया? यस हेत, कुछ समझ आया कि नहीं?
सर आया, बहुत सारा समझ आया।
हेत, आपको कुछ आया?
यस सर।
क्या समझ आया बेटा?
आपने आज जो किया है वो।
ग्रेट, चलो फिर, ओके, टेक केयर, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड स्टे इनसाइड ओनली। अभी जब तक लॉकडाउन है, घर रह के सीखो। कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग मैथ, दिस विल इंक्रीज योर कंसंट्रेशन एंड एवरीथिंग। करेक्ट?
ओके सर।
ओके देन बाय,
यस सर।
टेक केयर। जिसको भी करना है आगे के लिए तो यू कैन टॉक टू मी ऑन फोन। करेक्ट
सर?
चलो बाय बाय।
Okay,
कल
sir.
भी क्लास है?
नहीं,
Thank you, sir.
वर्कशॉप 2 दिन का था बेटा। क्लासेस अगर आपके फादर बोल रहे थे तो आप मुझसे बात कर लें, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर।
Thank you, sir.
ओके बाय बाय।
बाय सर, थैंक यू सर।
बाय।